one beginning, one prayer, one ship. May 14th, 2023. In Bulukumba, a journey began. Before the great Bromekine could be born, one sacred step had to be taken. Every detail was prepared. The ropes, the timber, the wooden pegs. Not just objects, but living witnesses to the birth of Bromekine. In Bulukumba, this is more than just work. It is heritage. The keel launching is not only about building a ship, but about preserving a legacy. And so, prayers were offered. Not everyone knows the meaning behind them. But here, Bromekine officially began its journey. This is only the beginning. The sacred ritual of May 14th, 2023 was just the first step. Stay with Bromekine's journey, because the meaning of the ritual prayers for the birth of the ship will be revealed in the next chapters.